The Scaredy-Cat. One Halloween night, a young witch lost her black cat. "Here, kitty, kitty," the witch called, but the cat did not come out. The witch walked down her street and called again. "Here, kitty, kitty," the witch called, but again the cat did not come out. The young witch walked across the street and up the hill. At the top of the hill, there was a big house with Halloween decorations. It looked like a haunted house. There was a zombie in front of the fence. Behind the fence, there was a tree. A ghost hung on a tree branch. Below the tree, there was a graveyard. The little witch stood in the graveyard and called her cat, but it did not come out. It was time to ask for help. The witch walked up the steps and knocked on the door of the house. A young boy in a pirate costume opened the door. "You didn't say trick or treat," he said. The witch laughed. "I am not looking for candy. I am looking for my black cat. Can you help me find her? She is afraid of Halloween." "That's funny," the boy said. "You have a black cat that is afraid of Halloween." He stepped out of his house and helped the witch. They looked behind the pumpkins and under the welcome mat. They looked in the garden and in between the cars. Just then, they heard a lady scream across the street. The boy and the witch ran to help the lady. She had a candle in her hands. "I took the lid off my jack-o'-lantern and a black cat jumped out," the lady said. "It scared me." This time, the witch laughed. "Don't be scared. That was my cat. She is afraid of Halloween." "Here, kitty, kitty," the witch called, and the black cat ran out of the bushes and into her arms. "That's one scaredy cat," the boy said, and they all laughed. The lady put the candle into the jack-o'-lantern. "I like your costumes," she said. Happy Halloween!